Hey folks, welcome to the AI agent control room. Today, our agent has a simple task: book a flight to NYC under $500. Let's see what happens when the tool router picks the wrong API. Once the request comes in, the planner module springs into action, decomposing the high level goal into a clear, ordered sequence. It first verifies available travel dates, then searches across multiple airlines for the best flights, and finally prepares the booking details. With the step by step strategy laid out, it promptly sends the complete plan back to the coordinating agent for execution. The retriever now fetches all relevant context from your connected data sources. It accesses your calendar to check upcoming appointments and free slots, identifies your preferred airlines such as Delta and United from past bookings, and pulls your current travel budget constraints. After gathering these key details, it packages them into a structured context and sends it directly to the agent for informed decision making. When the tool router queries the registry, it retrieves two flight search APIs: version 2, which is active and fully featured, and version 1, which is marked as deprecated and scheduled for removal. Due to a routing glitch, it selects V1 instead of V2. The registry immediately flags this inconsistency, displaying a version conflict error as the selected API does not meet the current system requirements. Our AI guardrail instantly spots a schema mismatch. The V1 API response doesn't include a currency field, but the downstream task explicitly requires USD. Without that field, the system can't validate the monetary value, and a booking might be processed without proper currency tags. That could mean an invoice issued in the wrong denomination or a financial record that doesn't reconcile. In a high stakes workflow, this small mismatch could snowball into a costly error. During validation, the validator compares the tool's output schema against the required parameter list. It identifies that the V1 API response is missing the currency field. To prevent errors, the validator stops execution. It then notifies the agent to redirect to the V2 API where the currency field is included. This ensures the agent avoids faulty data. After receiving a schema mismatch error, the AI booking agent seamlessly switches to the V2 API endpoint for flight reservations. It initiates a dry run preview to validate the request payload structure and field types. The validation service simulates the call, confirming the schema is now correct and all required parameters are present. Once the validator approves, the agent proceeds to finalize the booking. The flight is booked successfully, and the passenger receives an immediate confirmation with the itinerary details. This mission demonstrates why tool calling requires verification at every step. Detailed schemas define exactly which functions are available, guardrails constrain what each tool can do, and dry run modes let us simulate calls before committing. Together, they ensure that when an AI agent selects a tool, it consistently picks the right one. Safety isn't an afterthought, it's built in from the very start. Tool calling is powerful only when tool selection is verified. Subscribe for more AI updates from Saturn Leap.